What if you've already uploaded a video to IGTV and you want to tweak a few of the details around it? That's what we talk about today. How to edit your IGTV video. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, and if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe. Start creating. Now, IGTV is a video sharing platform on Instagram, which is owned by Facebook, to help people put out content from their mobile phones. The only difference from YouTube is that it's in a vertical format, portrait, rather than a landscape or horizontal. But once you've uploaded said video and you've titled it and you've described it, you might want to change some of those details. So I'm going to deep dive into that for you. But before we start, I'm quite curious. Do you use IGTV? Are you thinking of using IGTV? Or do you think it's just another flash in the pan? Please leave a comment down below. Okay, we've all done it. We've thrown up a video really quickly, and now you've realized that it's really hard to edit your video. You can't find the function on your phone. It's not a problem. You can still edit the details of your video via the Instagram browser page. So load up your desktop and go to your Instagram profile page. If you've already uploaded a video, or if you already have an IGTV channel, you'll notice that now there is an IGTV tab. Once you click on that, you will see all your videos that you have uploaded. You need to simply select the video that you wish to change. It will pop up like a normal Instagram post. And on the right hand side, you'll see all the information that you've got there. The titles, the descriptions, any hashtags, any comments. And then in the bottom right hand corner, next to your little comments box, there is 3 dots. When you click on that, you'll get a little pop-up that says edit video, along with a few others like deleting them, but we're mainly focusing on editing today. When you click edit, you'll have free reign to edit anything that you want, maybe add in those links, maybe copy over some links from YouTube, that kind of thing. Sometimes it may be hard to upload all of the information all at once, or you might want to put in affiliate links that relate to something in the video that may have forgotten. Once you're done, you click save, and you're sorted. But that is how you edit your video on IGTV. For more YouTube tricks and IGTV tips, remember to hit that subscribe button. And of course, why not hit that notification icon so you're alerted every time I put out videos immediately. Go out there, start creating.